Welcome to our video on developing a marketing plan. Have you ever wondered how successful businesses strategize? Creating a marketing plan can help turn your ideas into action. A strong marketing plan aligns with your business goals and customer needs. Let's dive into the key steps you need to follow. First, define your objectives such as increasing sales, building brand awareness. Next, analyze your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Develop customer personas to understand their needs and preferences. Consider demographics, interests, and buying behaviors. Then, research your competitors. What strategies are they using? Identifying their strengths and weaknesses can guide your approach. Once you have all this information, craft your marketing strategy. Decide which channels to use: social media, email, or content marketing. Set your budget. Know how much you can allocate to various activities. Create an implementation timeline for your marketing initiatives. This will help keep you on track and organized. Track your progress frequently. Monitor key metrics to gauge effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on the results you see. For example, if social media ads aren't converting, try email marketing instead. In summary, a solid marketing plan is essential for success. It helps you define goals, understand customers, and track progress. Now it's time for you to create your marketing plan. Start today, align it with your goals, and watch your business grow. In the next video we will discuss about digital marketing techniques. Stay connected with us. Thank you.